In the world of professional football where fame and fortune can change overnight, one name continues to dominate headlines: Dak Prescott, the superstar quarterback of the Dallas Cowboys. But behind the roaring stadiums, the multi-million-dollar contracts, and the spotlight of the NFL lies a powerful story of resilience, tragedy, and incredible success. Today, we're diving deep into Dak Prescott's net worth, his luxury lifestyle, and the woman who captured his heart. And trust me, his journey is far more dramatic than most fans realize. Before he became the leader of the Dallas Cowboys, Dak Prescott was just a kid growing up in Louisiana, raised by his mother, Peggy Prescott. Dak learned early that life wouldn't always be easy. His family worked hard to make ends meet, and his mother constantly reminded him that discipline and determination could change his future. Those lessons would shape the man he would later become. Football quickly became Dak's escape. On the field, he was fearless. His talent and leadership began attracting attention, eventually earning him a scholarship to Mississippi State University. There, Dak Prescott began building a reputation as one of the toughest and most exciting quarterbacks in college football. He broke records. He led his team to historic victories. And soon, NFL scouts started watching closely. Everything seemed set for a smooth path to the professional league. But when the 2016 NFL draft arrived, something unexpected happened. Team after team passed on Dak Prescott. Round 1, nothing. Round 2, still nothing. Round 3, silence. For a player who had dominated college football, it was a shocking moment. Finally, in the 4th round, the Dallas Cowboys took a chance on him. At the time, few people could have predicted what would happen next, because that decision would change the future of the entire franchise. Dak Prescott entered the NFL as a backup quarterback behind Cowboys legend Tony Romo. No one expected him to start, but fate had other plans. When Tony Romo suffered a serious injury before the season began, Dak suddenly found himself leading one of the most famous teams in sports. The pressure was enormous. Millions of fans were watching. Critics were ready to doubt him. But Dak Prescott stayed calm. Game after game, he delivered stunning performances, touchdowns, comeback victories, leadership far beyond his years. By the end of the season, he had shocked the entire league and won the NFL Offensive Rookie of the Year award. A 4th-round draft pick had just become the face of America's team. But Dak's journey was not only about football. Behind the scenes, his life faced painful challenges. In 2020, Dak Prescott experienced one of the most devastating losses imaginable when his brother Jace tragically passed away. The tragedy deeply affected Dak and forced him to confront the realities of mental health. Instead of hiding his pain, Dak chose to speak openly about depression and emotional struggles, becoming one of the strongest advocates for mental health awareness in professional sports. His courage off the field earned him even more respect from fans right around the world. Meanwhile, his career continued to soar. In 2021, the Dallas Cowboys rewarded Dak Prescott with a massive contract worth $160 million. The deal instantly made him one of the highest paid players in NFL history. Today, Dak Prescott's net worth is estimated to be between $70 and $80 million. But his wealth doesn't only come from football. Dak has built a powerful personal brand with major endorsements from global companies like Nike, AT&T, Pepsi, and Jordan Brand. These partnerships bring in millions of dollars every year. And that income has created a luxury lifestyle most people can only dream about. Dak Prescott owns a stunning multi-million-dollar mansion in Texas. The home features a private gym, a massive entertainment space, and a luxury backyard perfect for relaxing during the NFL off-season. His garage is equally impressive. Inside are some of the most luxurious vehicles in the world, including a Mercedes-Benz G-Class, a Cadillac Escalade, and a powerful Chevrolet Corvette. But even with his wealth and fame, Dak Prescott has remained known as one of the most humble stars in the NFL. Friends often say that he still carries the same hard-working mindset he learned from his mother years ago. And then there's another part of Dak Prescott's life that fans are extremely curious about: his love life. Dak Prescott has been in a relationship with model and social media personality Sarah Jane Ramos. The couple keeps their relationship relatively private, but they have been seen together at major events, vacations, and celebrations. Fans quickly noticed their chemistry. Many believe that Sarah Jane Ramos could soon become Dak Prescott's future wife. While the couple hasn't revealed many details about their relationship, their appearances together have sparked massive interest online. For many fans, they represent the perfect power couple: a superstar quarterback and a glamorous partner standing beside him. From a fourth-round draft pick overlooked by many teams to the leader of the Dallas Cowboys and one of the richest quarterbacks in football, Dak Prescott's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. But his story is far from over. Every season brings new challenges, new victories, and new chapters in a career that continues to inspire millions. The real question is, how much bigger will Dak Prescott's empire become?